English cottage gardens are truly special. Imagine a delightful mix of colourful flowers, buzzing bees and the scent of freshly cut herbs. This is the magic of a cottage garden. They are full of life and beauty. Unlike formal gardens, cottage gardens feel relaxed and welcoming. They invite you to wander along winding paths and discover hidden treasures. You might find a cluster of fragrant roses or a patch of delicate forget-me-nots. There's something magical about the informality of a cottage garden. Plants spill over pathways, creating a sense of abundance and joy. It's a celebration of nature's beauty in its most charming form. Every cottage garden has its personality, reflecting the gardener's love and care. It's a place to relax, unwind, and reconnect with nature's simple pleasures. Centuries ago, cottage gardens were more than just pretty spaces. They were essential for providing food and medicine for families. Imagine growing your vegetables and herbs, their vibrant colours and fresh scents filling the air. Traditional cottage gardens featured a mix of practical plants and beautiful flowers. Think fragrant herbs like rosemary and thyme, alongside cheerful blooms like hollyhocks and lavender. These gardens were often enclosed by hedges or fences, creating a sense of privacy and protection from the elements. The layout was usually informal, with winding paths and a mix of different plants growing harmoniously. Today, cottage gardens still hold on to this sense of history and tradition. They remind us of a simpler time where people lived in harmony with nature. Creating your own cottage garden is easier than you might think. Start by selecting a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Choose a variety of plants that will flower at different times, ensuring a continuous display of colour. Think about incorporating traditional cottage garden favourites like roses, lavender, hollyhocks and foxgloves. Don't forget herbs. They add fragrance and attract beneficial insects. When it comes to layout, embrace informality. Create winding paths using gravel or stepping stones. Allow plants to spill over the edges, creating a sense of abundance. Remember to water your garden regularly, especially during dry spells. Add a layer of mulch to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. With a little care and attention, your cottage garden will flourish. The beauty of a cottage garden lies in its ability to reflect your personality. Feel free to add your own unique touches, whether it's a vintage bird bath, a collection of colourful pots, or a cosy seating area. Consider adding a small water feature, like a bird bath or a small fountain. The gentle sound of water will create a sense of tranquility. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plant combinations and see what works best in your garden. The most important thing is to create a space that brings you joy. Gardening is a journey of discovery. Embrace the process, enjoy the fruits of your labour, and allow your cottage garden to become your sanctuary.